I actually want to read this. Okay. Does it taste fine? Those only contain untellable knowledge. Who knows? Aren't they? Ooh. Ooh. But you actually can hear them, can't you? Okay. Well, whatever. So, guys, I'm home alone right now, and I had the great genius idea to freaking play this game while I'm home alone. And it is 11:44 right now at PM. I am legitimately gonna shit myself. Okay. Let's just start a game. So this time I don't know what map I want to do, but let's do hard. Yeah, let's do hard. Difficulty hard. And I'm trying to see if I haven't done one of these maps. Okay, I haven't done this map solo, so let's just do this. And this time, let's actually be somebody who can run. I guess that would be evasion, or stamina, or speed. Oh, this guy's good for that. Okay. Despite his fear of the dark, Jean-Luc tries his best to uncover the truth behind the so-called supernatural. Okay, yeah. That's cool and all, but he looks like Shaggy. But he doesn't have the gray hair, or this ginger, I don't know. Oh my god, here I go. This is great. I'm fucking terrified right now. There's no noise right now. I'm Jean-Luc, man. Jean-Luc. I haven't played this since I played with Firewall. Is that the train? Yes, the train. Okay. Let's go to the train. Oh man, I don't want to go to the freaking oh my god, the jail cells by myself. Oh man, no, I'm scared. I'm scared. Man, the only reason I'm recording by myself is because like, since there's not another person talking, like, you guys will actually hear the jump scares with me most of the time. I don't think we found this. This is a weird room. I don't even think this is gonna be classified as a room. But yeah. Train. Rave train? So yeah, on that topic, I try not to commentate as much when I do the solo, so you guys can get a better experience. Isn't there a corridor over here? No, okay. This guy does not have the stamina that they claimed. No, he does not. That is some bull crap. Tape recorder? Tape? Tape recorder? No, this can't just be pointless. Like, I mean, no. Okay. So far, I'm not that scared, actually. Like, the lights are off and shit, but I don't know. Something's different today. Something's up. Did you go here last time? Can I go over here? I can. I can. It's like a whole new side to the map. I don't know. Let's go find out. My god, the chills though. I have chills. Like, I feel like the room's getting really cold, and that's not good. Whoa, what the fuck are you? What the fuck are you? What are you doing? No, no, get away from me. What? Why? What? What are you? What? What the fuck? Oh, okay. Okay. That just okay. Oh my god. Oh god. Okay. Okay. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for not calling you scary. I'm so fucking sorry. Just don't rape me anymore. Okay. Ah. Ah. Okay. What? Dildo, what are you doing there? This is a train station. There's no room for dildos. Oh my god, why are you coughing, bro? When the stamina calls, you have to run, bro. Oh my god. Shit. 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 Oh, oh my god. It's a midget place. I don't know. What is that? Oh shit. Stop, stop, stop. Okay. Okay. Missile direct. Okay, I'm going to the rockets. Don't you worry, bro. Don't you worry, child. Don't you worry. Don't you worry. I like that song though. It's a cool song. Okay, you teleported. That's not fair. I don't have teleporting problems. Okay, bro. I'm sorry. Can't find me like this. Surprise. Okay. No surprise, motherfucker. Okay. Maybe if he stopped breathing so loud, he'd go away. There. So there should be recording here. Oh my shit. Shit titties, shit titties, shit titties, shit titties. I don't hear a recording. Does that mean there's none? Oh my god, I'm so scared to turn around every time. But there has to be. No? Okay. Oh my god. Fuck, why'd I have to make the avian so good? Man, I'm so fucked. I'm so fucked. Stop growling, I get it. What the fuck? Where is he? What the? What? What? No, go this way, go this way, go this way, go this way, go this way. What is this? What the hell is this? What is this? What the fuck? Oh my, what the fuck did I find? Fucking aliens. That's great. Whoa! What the fuck are you doing? Don't nod at me! What are you doing? No. Go away. Yeah, that was a creepy ass walk. What are those? Yeah, those are aliens. Half of the reason why I'm playing this is because I want to fucking finish this. Like, I don't want to. Once I finish this, no going back. What the? Stop! What is that? No, you're mad. Stop. Fuck me. Oh shit. No. Wait, I'm doing a loop. Okay. Well, I kind of remember where I spawned. It's over here, so I'm gonna go the opposite way. This is a smart idea to do, right? Yeah, it came from over there. Over there. Okay. Oh shit. Wait, weren't these like the Okay, I guess we're going this way. Okay. Okay, where is this taking me? This is a weird sequence of hallways. Oh, fuck me. Okay. Okay, well, I guess we have to. No, shit, no. Whoa. Ah! Yeah, okay, yeah, those are the jail cells. Oh, okay. Ah. Oh, shit. Whoa. Barrels! What? Are these like full of alien jizz or something? I don't know. Whoa. Is that a San Marine? How the fuck am I supposed to get that? How am I supposed to get that? What if I just... Oh, okay. Okay, cool. It's a yellow submarine. Just trying to calm my nerves, guys. God, this is the fucking worst. What the hell is happening? This is the worst fucking placing for this. Ooh. Whew. Okay. Need to go in the jail cells. There's probably one in there. God, my record's 5. I'm just like, this is the position I'm in right now. Like, my shoulders are hunched. My legs are crossed for some reason, and yeah, that is pretty much it. I'm just like curled up, trying to get curled up as possible. SOS. No, please don't be here. Okay. Last time, I don't remember if I found a recording here, but no. Okay. No, you're not a prisoner. What are you doing in there? I hear some. No, I hate this place. I've never made it out. What? What am I? What? Oh my god, stop doing that, whatever that is. Why can't I go? I can't go back? Oh wait, is that what he does? He just moves place? Does he trap you? Oh no. This guy's a smart motherfucker. I never realized what like he moved that. I can't go back. What a slut. What a fucking cunt. This bitch is smart. This bitch is actually smart. He's like Shrek. No. Hell no. Fuck. Okay, I need to find the recording. There's gotta be in here. Shit, fuck. God, how many fucking cells are there? There it is.
I'm going to stay here and get some sleep. I don't care anymore. It's over.
Oh, I just realized they're the same recordings every time. Okay. So my record's 5. We're almost there. Camera. Okay. Whoa, oh. What the hell? Okay, no, I'll go this way, Sorry. I'm Canadian. Oh.
The dread. The sweat. The guilt.
Did you just say he's wet? Stop it, please. Please stop. No. I'm scared. Oh my god. Oh. God damn it. Did I go over there? I am not sure. I think those are the aliens. Are the aliens? Okay, I'm sorry if I'm making weird noise, but I need to trip myself out. This is crazy. Oh, shit. Stop coughing, you bitch. Is this... What the fuck is this? It's a library. I think I was in here with Firewall. Is this a room of boxes? Okay. Oh my god, this is fucking... No. What is this? Oh shit, stop making noises, please. No, there has to be recording here. Oh shit, I think he blocked me. I think he's behind me. I think he's fucking me in the ass right now. Stop moving things, please! No, okay, get out of here. No. I hate that room anyways, man. Fuck that place. Whoa, is there actual spaceships? Dude! I wanna go see that shit. Damn. Oh, not this. Oh my god. Where's space is that? Where are they at, though? Are they right here? Oh shit. I think this... It's a motherfucking spaceship, dude! I found it! And then there's a... Why is there a giant ass dildo just coming out of it? That ain't normal. No. Oh shit, we just beat our record. Oh my god, we can finish this. We can finish it right now. Oh no, the fucking music, man, no. Oh shit. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm so close, but I don't want to kill it down. No. Fuck. Oh no, I've already been here. Shit titties. Let's go this way. I've never been this way. I don't know that, but who cares? Who the fuck is this shit? Oh, that's the alien jizz. No, you're right there. No, shit, don't get really close to me. No. Stop! No, I'm scared. What the fuck? No. I'm finishing this, you fag. Oh. No. There's have to be a recording right here. Oh shit. We're one away. Dude, I don't know what happens when you beat this. Holy shit, dude. Oh my god. Where the fuck am I? Oh, I've never been here. Okay. I can finish this right now, you fucker. I'm gonna fucking finish your ass, faggot. Oh, no, not this way. Okay, yeah, I'll go this way, don't you worry. Okay. Shit. Oh my god. My fucking heart's beating like a bitch. No, shit, where's the last one? It's gotta be in the library, I gotta find... Okay, bro, I'm sorry, bro. Just gotta find your bitch-ass library, it's probably in there. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry for calling your library a bitch. But it's true. It's a pretty bitchy library. No. He's right behind me, man. This is not cool. No, 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 no. That's so sad. No! Oh shit! Oh why? Why? What the that? Oh, I'm so close. No. I did not have. I had like fucking 10 screams. What are you talking about? It. Oh no! I was so close. Like what the hell? No, see, there's a scream right there. You fucking lied to me. Shit. Damn, it's like there's 3. Shit. 4, 5. Right? Yeah, 5. 6. Dude, we explored the whole freaking map. Look at that, 7. Oh, we were close. There was that one spot in the middle. That was where the last one was.